What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I will show you two stocks that might double your money in nearest future. And first of all, I will start with the Bitcoin price chart because these two stocks is heavily related to crypto industry. Then I will show you some fundamental news that might drive the price of these stocks up. And then we will continue with the technical analysis of their price charts, and we will make some projections for the future price. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in a limited time promo offer from WeBull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks. Link in my description. So, and let's start with the Bitcoin price chart, and as you might see, I already covered this price section on some of my crypto related videos, but for now let's start from scratch. And as you can see, we have this red line as a major support, and we have two touches right here and right here, and so far it is the two lowest points. Basically this one is a little bit lower, but we have very bullish candle right here. It is a hammer candle and it has a very good volume. And so far we are hovering in between these ranges, and everything in crypto world will depend on this price action. What support or resistance this asset might break in order to establish new trend. It might be an uptrend if we will exceed this level, or it might be a downtrend if we will break this support. So, and what type of stocks I want to cover in this video? Let me first of all show you this one. We are on seekingalpha.com, and this article was published on July the 4th, and it's titled Bitcoin Rallies After Largest Ever Downward Difficulty Adjustment. And let me quote you these bullets. To review, China in June attempted to end Bitcoin with a well-coordinated effort that shut down nearly all Bitcoin miners in the country. As the miners unplugged, the hash rate plunged, helping to crush the price of Bitcoin from nearly $43,000 to below $29,000 in a few days' time late in the month. Bitcoin was designed for new blocks to be added to the blockchain roughly every 10 minutes. But with far fewer miners at work, block times rose more than 20 minutes at one point in late June. That brings to the front another brilliant but less discussed aspect of Satoshi's creation, the difficulty adjustment. Every 2016 blocks, about every 2 weeks, Bitcoin's algorithm automatically adjusts upward/downward the difficulty of completing the equations that result in new blocks being mined and the Bitcoin being rewarded. So that block times return to about 10 minutes. The 2016 block hit on Saturday, and the difficulty adjustment was a downward 28%, the largest in Bitcoin's history. The move was widely anticipated, so may or may not be contributing to a modest rally in the price of Bitcoin, now trading at $35,300. As for the future, Chinese miners are rapidly moving machines to more friendly locales around the globe. Bitcoin bulls insist that mining no longer being so heavily concentrated in China is a long-term positive, but it will surely be months before all of that lost hashing power is back online, and one wonders what other attacks Beijing or other Bitcoin hostile states have up their sleeves. Miners like Riot Blockchain, Marathon Digital Holdings and Bitfarms are possible winners from Chinese actions, suggests SA contributor Zvi Bar. So, and I want to pay your attention on these two stocks, Riot Blockchain and Marathon Digital. And let me first of all show you this chart. This is the total hash rate, and as you can see, we had around 180 million terahashes per second on May 14th, and since then, since the ban of Bitcoin, we have this decline in hash rate, and we hit the level of 86.29 million terahash per second, and it is roughly the same level as we had on September 2019, and I think it is not the end of this down movement. So, and let me show you a couple of articles. Right here on Yahoo Finance we have this article published on July the 3rd, and it's titled Marathon Digital reports 17% increase in Bitcoin production for June. And this increase was before the downgrade in difficulty. So for now, for July and next couple of months, we will see even higher increase in their mining production. And this will lead to extremely high profits for this company. And also we will see very high profits for Riot as well, because these two companies are the leaders on the US mining market. And that's why, in my opinion, you have to keep an eye on these companies. So let me show you their institutional investors. We are on fintel.io, and this is the Mara ticker. And as you can see, green lines represent that these companies are investing, they are opening the position with the Mara stock. And during last month and a half, we have only green lines that are indicating new positions. Roughly the same picture we have with the Riot blockchain. We have green lines and several gray ones. These gray lines represent that these companies hold their position. And let me show you two positive factors that we have on their financials. They have very good current ratio. We are on Mara overview, and their current ratio is 219.25. And the good current ratio is everything that is higher 1.5. And this is 219. And also I have to say that this company is profitable. They have 73.97 million of profits. But Riot blockchain hasn't this type of profits. They have a little bit less than 1 million losses. This is because they are heavily reinvesting their profits into new mining capacities. And they also have a very good current ratio of 37.16, and both of these companies have a very good cash position of 241 million for Riot and more than 493 million for Mara. This means we can project that this company will increase their price in at least in a couple of months. So let's start with more technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So as you can see, I've already covered this stock, and we have three major accumulation points, and we hit each and every one of them, and our average price for now is around this level, is around $26, and we are already up for about 16%. And the major targets for now is all-time high. It is right here. And also we have some potential more aggressive targets at level of 1.1 extension from the very bottom right here. Let me show it to you, from this very bottom to this very top, and this bottom is the 0 point for next potential leg to the upside. And the more aggressive target, the most aggressive target, I have to say, it is the level slightly below $100 mark, and it is 1.618 extension level. So, and for now, let's continue with Riot. And as you can see, I also covered this stock, and my main count ended right here, but we have lower price action, and from this point, this was our lowest accumulation point, we also up for about 14%. And in my opinion, these two companies will lead the market in order to achieve the highest return on investment. And that's why you have to keep an eye on this stock. But first of all, you have to do your own due diligence. This is the must when you decide to invest in this type of stocks, because my main purpose is just entertaining you and give you my thoughts on different type of stocks. So I think that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. In this case, you won't miss my next one. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!